The AI automation market hit $19.6 billion this year, and it's growing over 23% annually. People are quietly building real income running automation systems for small businesses, and you don't need to code to do it. Here's exactly how the math works. Welcome back to Abundance Reset. This isn't a get-rich-quick video. This is the actual business model real people are running right now, with the real tools. Let's break it down. Small businesses everywhere are drowning in manual busy work. Leads that don't get followed up on, support tickets that pile up, spreadsheets nobody updates. They know AI can fix this, but they don't have the time or technical skill to set it up themselves. That gap is the business. You learn 2 to 3 automation platforms deeply. Then you sell, "I'll build and maintain this system for you" as a monthly service. You really only need to learn 2 platforms to cover almost every client need. Zapier is the most widely used, with over 8,000 app integrations. It's billed per task, meaning every single action in a workflow counts separately. It's the easiest to learn and the easiest to sell because almost every client has heard of it. Make, formerly Integromat, uses a visual canvas instead of a simple linear list. It's better for complex logic, like routing a support ticket based on sentiment, or enriching a lead record with multiple data sources before it hits a CRM. Make's pricing is bundled by operations rather than per task. And for complex, multi-step workflows, it often comes out 3 times cheaper at scale than Zapier. A simple way to think about it: Zapier for straightforward, single-path automations. Make when the client needs branching logic, different outcomes depending on conditions. Here's an actual workflow you could build and charge for today. A local business gets leads through a website form. Right now, someone manually checks the form, copies the info into a spreadsheet, and emails the lead a day later, if they remember. Here's the automated version. The form submission triggers Zapier instantly. Zapier sends the lead's info through an AI model that scores how likely they are to convert based on what they wrote. It writes that score directly into the business's CRM. Then it pings the sales team on Slack immediately, with the lead score attached, so the highest priority leads get called first. That's 4 manual steps eliminated, running in under 10 seconds, with 0 human involvement. A business owner can immediately see the value of that. Faster response time directly means more closed deals. Here's where the $5,000 per month math comes from. Most automation freelancers charge in one of 2 ways. Setup fee, $300 to $1,500 per workflow you build, depending on complexity. Monthly retainer, $200 to $600 per month per client to monitor, fix, and improve the automations over time. Because workflows break when a connected app changes its system. If you land just 8 to 10 small business clients on a $400 to $600 per month retainer, plus occasional new setup fees, you're sitting comfortably above $5,000 per month. And the work is largely maintenance after the initial build. You don't need a sales team. Start with businesses you already have some connection to. A local service business, a friend's small company, anyone running repetitive manual processes you can actually see. Offer to build 1 small automation for free or at a steep discount as a proof of concept. Once they see leads getting followed up on automatically or support tickets sorting themselves, the retainer conversation becomes easy. You're not selling a concept anymore. You're selling something they've already watched work. That's the real model. Not passive income, not magic, just a genuine skill gap that's wide open right now, because most business owners don't have the time to learn these platforms themselves. If you want a deeper walkthrough of building your first Zapier workflow, step by step, tell me in the comments, and I'll make it happen. Subscribe for more real, tested AI income breakdowns. See you in the next one.